My name is Sally Davis, and I have been a member of the Crypto Code since December of 2022. Community. With the Crypto Code, there is an amazing community with all kinds of people from all walks of life that are very willing and able to help with any questions you might have. So that's an amazing thing with the Crypto Code, being able to ask a question and get an answer, or even several answers that will help you with any question that you have, and they are answered in a very timely manner. So community is awesome with the Crypto Code. Ease of use for learning the ropes with the Crypto Code is fantastic as well. The instructional videos are very step by step, and a lot of times there's PDFs with them to help you to understand how to get things set up, like bots and things like that. So ease of use is amazing. And then finally, it's very multifaceted. I was amazed as I went through the original instructional videos at how much there is that you could do with the Crypto Code. So many options to make money. So I've been very impressed with how much there is to learn and to grow with it. The team with Crypto Code is amazing. They are constantly rolling out new strategies and opportunities for learning and growing your portfolio. I feel like they genuinely care about all of the members in the Crypto Code. They want us to succeed, and you can tell they are always Johnny on the spot to answer questions, and they genuinely care. It's just an amazing team with the Crypto Code. I think the team is what sets them apart from any other services or products that are similar to them. I haven't put in a whole lot of capital yet into the Crypto Code. I have started some wave bots, and so I guess my biggest success is just getting things set up, understanding how to get things set up, and launching the wave bots that I have, and I've seen daily profits from these wave bots, and so I've also got WaveBot 3 that was rolled out not too long ago that I was able to get set up and seeing profits from that. So that's my biggest success. Going from not understanding any of it to having WaveBots constantly bringing in profits. If you are looking for a way to create passive income, Crypto Code is the way to go. The team is amazing. The instructional videos are simple and very informative. You can get answers to any of your questions right away. There's also support emails that you can shoot an email to the team and they'll answer that way as well. Forums are very easy to use and to find answers to a lot of questions that you have, and if it's not there, then you can find answers by asking the question and getting an answer. So the Crypto Code is just an amazing way to create passive income.